Hello everyone, I am Gaurav Chauhan, a student majoring in Computer Science and Engineering at IIT Delhi. I am currently the SAC Secretary from Ginnar Hostel and I am contesting for the position of SAC General Secretary in the upcoming elections. Firstly, I would like to thank each and everyone in the SAC team for a wonderful tenure. We have achieved a lot as a team and I would like to take this spirit into the next team and target even higher goals for SAC. Coming to the manifesto points and what all have I done till yet. As a SAC representative, I have worked on various projects. Starting with the project associated with the BHM, I have worked on the IP Nalanda and A-type apartment issues in which I reported the lack of Wi-Fi, washing machine and portable water facilities in these hostels, owing to which a committee has been established to look into the issues of these hostels. Next, I have worked on the food bill hike issue in which I analyzed and documented the increase of food bill across hostels and represented it in the SAC meeting, owing to which a committee has been established to find out the reasons of the food bill hike convened by the ADHM. Next, I have worked on as a SAC representative to CAC, looking into the academic issues pertaining to attendance policies and audit policies throughout the year. I have also worked as an active member of the COVID committee, in which we laid out and spread awareness about the health insurance policy of IIT Delhi and also initiated a plasma donation campaign known as Plasma Connect to help the IIT Delhi community. I've also worked on various other projects such as query redressal system, alumni fest, Loconav bus tracking, ITD notifications app, etc. Now, as a BSW representative, I was awarded the best representative for my tenure, owing to the outstanding contribution to the board. I had collaborated with the student counseling services and Yordos to enhance the mental well-being of students on campus. Next, I had successfully conducted welfare activities including camps, events such as trips throughout the year for student welfare. So first things first, I would like to work with the BHM General Secretary on the issue of IP Nalanda and A-type apartments, ensuring proper sanitation along with facilities such as Wi-Fi, washing machine and portable water for them. Next, I would like to work on the issue of food bill hike and would like to bring the prices back to normal as soon as possible, ensuring a food price auditing takes place. Also, I would like to introduce the idea of SAC booklet, which will be given out to UG and PG freshers. This will have the contact details of all the POR holders and the officials describing their roles and responsibilities in order to help the freshers in case of any query. Now coming to the PG specific issues. I would like to ensure PG participation in SAC and the constituent boards such as BSW, PSA, BRCA and PHM by restructuring the board hierarchy in association with the General Secretary of that board. Next, I would like to increase the representation of PG in SAC itself from 12 to about 18 in proportion to the ratio of students of PG to UG on campus. Next, I would like to ensure research fellowship or grant for students, research scholars affected by pandemic. Also, I would like to nominate 2 PG students from SAC into CAC to ensure that there is ample research facility available for them. Also, I would like to make available the mess facilities for day scholars living nearby the campus so they can access the messes in the hostels. Coming to the technology-based initiatives, I would like to add 2 features to the ITD notifications app. Firstly, would like to add the bus tracking API into it. Secondly, integrating the query redressal system by converting it into a 5-step process into the app. Next, I would like to develop a scholarship portal so that students can fill in all the details, and whenever a scholarship in which they are eligible comes, they are notified through it. Also, alumni can give out scholarships directly using this portal to students after verification from AIP. Next, I would like to work on the project portal. The work is almost done. We would like to contact the HODs and then expand it to a pan IIT kind of a thing. Now coming to the student welfare initiatives. Firstly, the student counseling services. We will ensure an equal number of male and female counselors in the team. We will provide professional modules and teaching for the students who require language mentorship. We will try to increase this alumni student interaction by establishing an alumni secretary at the hostel level, whose role will be to conduct events between students and alumni and also raise funds for hostel related activities. I would like to tackle the issue of gender equity by establishing a women's cell on campus, whose role will be to use SAC and the constituent bodies to promote and to sensitize people towards this issue, and also provide career opportunities specific to women. I would like to establish or recognize a student organization comprising of students coming from the backward castes. And secondly, I would like to establish a committee similar to the ICC for caste-based harassment. In the end, I would like to introduce the General Secretary Showdown, which is similar to the Secretary Showdown in RCA. This is aimed at increasing the accountability of General Secretaries towards these boards. Secondly, I would like to renew the provider for medical insurance and add the 2020 entrants to the list of medical insurance. Also, I would like an active role of SAC in determining the academic year for the coming session. At the end, I would like to wish everyone who's going through these elections a very best of luck. May the best candidate win.